KSA need to contact Tamara customer service in Saudi Arabia? I've got you covered. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you how to reach Tamara's customer support quickly in KSA. Step 1. Open the Tamara app and go to the Help or Support section. Step 2. You'll find a phone number dedicated for Saudi Arabia customers, usually displayed prominently. Step 3. Dial the Tamara Saudi customer service number during their working hours for live assistance. Step 4. Alternatively, you can use the in-app chat feature to get quick answers to common questions. Step 5. For urgent issues like payment problems or account access, calling is usually faster. Quick tip: keep your Tamara account details handy before calling to speed up the support process. If you found this helpful, leave a comment, like, and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.